Is it like strong?
No, it's not so strong.
Are you sure?
Yeah,
No, I can't do it. I can't do it.
I need to hold it a little.
Oh!
Guten Morgen from Tarasp. This is about 5:45 in the morning. It's not even sunrise yet, and we are taking a public transportation system in Switzerland to go shoot in dark. There are not many places in the world where you can do this. All you need is a travel pass, and you're set to go. Very impressed. The plan is to reach there before sunrise and do a bit of recce. Of course, open the envelope and see what's my challenge because I have no idea.
So I was not expecting the winner to get their photo shown in Times Square. So now I am super pumped for this challenge, and I got some seriously stiff competition up against me, so I'm gonna do my best.
And now it's time to unveil my challenge for today. I have 2 envelopes, so this is gonna be fun.
Monuments and attractions. A different view.
Choose a nearby monument and find a perspective that, although facing away from it,
Still offers a good view.
Use the mirror provided in your package
to creatively capture the monument's reflection in your shot.
Oh.
Yeah, I look tired. But today, I've got to figure out how to use this. And, well, visibility, as you might be able to see, it's not great here at just over 1,000 meters. So let's go and find out what it's like above 3,000 meters.
I'm ready to go. It's getting chilly out here, man. I wonder how cold it's gonna be up there. We are at the top of Mount Titlis, and it's a whiteout. So it's gonna be tough. So we just need to stay out here and just wait for that perfect moment and just keep shooting.
Well, welcome. And as I'm sure you can see, we've had a change of scenery. I have a plan A, a second plan A, and if they don't work, I've got a plan B. Let's go. Making sure not to fall off the cliff. I was last at this exact place in 2019 when there was an awful lot more snow, and it was amazing. And I think today it could be equally as amazing. It's just that the Matterhorn is currently hiding.
So in my search to find the perfect reflection shot, we have actually come to a cafe. Beautiful property, just gorgeous. And of course, there's coffee and there is croissant. So we had the most amazing time here at the restaurant. Ended up meeting the owner of the place, who is the 22nd generation owner of this place. I mean, we discussed some ideas and he was like, okay, maybe my sister could be a part of a picture, and that's amazing. She will join us for the shoot a little bit later when the sun comes out. What more can we ask for? Can you come a little bit on this side completely? Life was meant to bring us back to your place.
I don't think that works. It's a pretty nice place to be. I know that much. Even if I can't figure out what to do with a mirror. Come on. Right, well, such is my desperation in what's becoming late afternoon, that I'm turning to this sort of thing, which I'm pretty much 100% sure won't work. But even if the no. Stupid idea.
The sun is setting really quickly, so we're racing to the bridge. We're gonna try and capture a few more photos while we still have this beautiful light up here. The conditions up here are absolutely insane. I'm feeling so stoked right now. Like, wasn't really sure if we're gonna get good conditions, to be honest. It wasn't looking that nice. And then all of a sudden, boom, a complete 180. some of the most beautiful views I've ever seen in my entire life.
I can't say I have ever taken a photo like this, and I am certain that the other photographers have also not taken photos like this, like through a mirror trying to shoot the opposite way of what you're shooting. So I think this is a struggle for all of us. I'm about to get so wet. Man. What life choices led me to this moment, you know? We're about to acquire Nicole's help, so you guys are staying over here. Nicole's gonna hold the mirror. We're gonna try to get the mountains behind us and Freddie Mercury's face. Okay, I think one of those might have worked. It's not bad. It's definitely the weirdest photo I've ever taken, but yeah, that could work.
I'm confident. I think we got some really cool photos today, and I'm confident in the shot that I'm gonna put forward for the Monument Challenge. And I'm excited to see what the others got. Oh wow, this is great.
Someone you have to meet.
I'm using Google Translate.
I forgot to vlog about it.
There's nobody here on the streets.
Whoa! Oh, this is making me nervous.